Hello everybody, my name is Mr. Monopoly, and welcome to the Metaverse. Now, I know you're all here to look at our charts, but we're not going to look at charts today. We're actually going to talk about the BlockFi card. Yes, you heard me right, the BlockFi card. But before we get into that, let's look at Bitcoin price at $19,000. Oh my Jesus Christ, everyone's predicting $13,000. Is it going to happen? Comment down below if that's what you think. Just wait for me to upload, put those post notifications on, because you know when I upload, boom, that's a perfect opportunity to dip buy. Not financial advice, obviously. But yeah, let's talk about the BlockFi Rewards Visa card. I've been having this card for over more than a month or two, I believe. I just haven't had the time to make this video. But I've actually been through every single little thing in terms of using this card to its fullest potential. So I want to talk about the card first, and then talk about the pros and cons, and decide if it's a good card for you. Or you do your own research, and just, this is just my opinion. But other than that, let's get it straight into the video. Alright, so when we look at the website, we're looking at basically their main catch, which is basically 1.5% cash back in crypto on every purchase. So this is literally 1.5% on literally everything, and up to 10% in other brands and restaurants, food, whatever, blah blah blah, this and that. And one thing that's really nice about this is you get pre-approved, so you get like a soft credit check to see if you're going to be accepted or not. For those of you that are worried about getting your credit check, one of the things that I really like is that the fact that you can actually earn rewards not just in Bitcoin. You could do Bitcoin, ETH. They got like Uniswap. I imagine this would be evolving over time in terms of popular cryptos that they offer. Please offer ADA. And one of the things that I really like about this card is there's no annual fee or foreign transactions fees. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, you can go across the entire world. Kind of changes every once in a while, but currently at the moment it's 2% cash back after spending $30,000. And 0.25% on eligible crypto purchases. I'm not sure what this means because I've tried purchasing crypto, can't use the BlockFi card. I'm not sure why. The thing that I like about this one is with most credit cards, you have to literally add the offer to your card and then you'll get the rewards back, which is stupid. I guess it's just a way for customers to not take full advantage of all the offers. But this one I really like because there's this one time I got some McDoodles, just bear market things, right guys? And I got a notification on my BlockFi dashboard that it said, oh, you got an extra Bitcoin reward. And I was like, what was that for? This is very great. I like that it went with Visa, just because it's accepted like literally everywhere. It says travel and lifestyle benefits, protection benefits, plus exclusive deals. I don't know what any of this stuff is because I've been, like I said, I've been using the card for a month. I don't see it anywhere in the dashboard or whatever. So if someone can comment down below where I'm missing this info, let me know, because I see nothing in terms of travel or any of this other stuff. So the benefits I got: 1.5% cash back, and then 2% after $30,000, 10% of specific brands. That's really nice, and I love that it's automatic. And in my opinion, this is kind of like the best way to accumulate crypto. I said you get your crypto rewards get paid out every second Friday of every month. Very nice. So the second you get your rewards, it automatically converts it to the crypto that you chose, so Bitcoin, Ethereum, whatever it is, and it goes straight to your BlockFi wallet. And then from there you can decide to keep it there, put it in another wallet, or put it to a ledger, whatever you want. Any fees for foreign transaction fees, like I said, I already mentioned this before. This is amazing, very beautiful. I've actually been through the fast and great customer service for questions. They answer really quickly, very like security questions, stuff like that. Make sure you're actually you with the owner of the card. So this is what I'll talk about the negative. So when I pay, like I said, my American Gold card or any other credit card that I have, the money is automatically taken like literally right away from my account, like maybe one business day at most. With the BlockFi card, it does show up cleared out, $0 after you pay, like paying in full, whatever it is. But it doesn't show like on your transaction history that you paid it. I called the phone and I asked them like where, like I paid my card. I don't see it anywhere in the transaction history other than a $0 balance on my card. They're telling me that it's there, but I don't see it on my end. So I don't know if it's a bug on their issue, on my end. I have no idea. To this day, it's still not, solved. But it would be nice to see, my payments in there. They should honestly have more benefits, at least when it comes in terms to flight or food, because I'm assuming that anybody that has a crypto card, they're like tech savvy, millennial, whatever. So they like, the getting like food delivery, or, getting an Uber drive, or, they're going on a trip to Florida or something. I don't know. But it would be nice to see, because I didn't see any travel rewards or anything like for flights or for hotels, like literally nothing. So I think this would be a great way to kind of like push to the major audience, to other people that have other credit cards, because some people might be like, oh, I don't want crypto card, I don't care about crypto. but I'll use the card if it gives me, like, I don't know, free Disney Plus or something. And the disputes, it's weird because on the dashboard you can't just click on a charge and click dispute this charge and then go through the process on the dashboard. You have to go through like the BlockFi website, like desktop website, dispute the charge there, make a phone call to confirm that this is a disputed charge, and it's just kind of a hassle. This one really doesn't really matter to me. It's just kind of like saving that extra 10 seconds of my time. When I get paid in Bitcoin, it would be like 0.000024444567, and I'm like, well, damn, how much did I get? And then I convert it over, and then I check, oh, when did I get this paid? Oh, it was last Friday. Oh, damn, Bitcoin's price was different that Friday. Let me check the history on that time. It's just kind of like, you know, a lot of research just to find out that I only got like $20 in cash back. You know what I'm saying? But the number one thing that is important to me is charge alerts. I don't understand there's no charge alerts on this card. All my credit cards have them. It's a really nice feature to have. And that's not even just to, you know, for fraud prevention or anything. It's just me personally. I'm very frugal and I like to know where every dollar goes. And some charges I keep track of. So it would be nice. I get an automatic text message that says, oh, got a charge at McDonald's for $12.69. And then that's it. I'm not sure if you can add authorized users on this card. It could do that. That would be nice. Just that's kind of a way to kind of get someone younger, so like your child or a sibling or family member, to get them into crypto, but not actually getting them the crypto credit card yet, just so they can get used to it. That would be a great bonus, just so, you know, they can get comfortable, like, oh, I'm using the credit. It's just like a regular card, you know. And then you get cash back in crypto. You can show them through the steps on the dashboard, and it's kind of like a nice way to get your child starting and accumulating crypto. That's basically what I have to say in terms of the actual credit card. And honestly, I say it's a great card that you should get regardless of all the negatives. The benefits are still good. It's a great card to accumulate, you know, crypto, especially during this bear market. Overall, what do I rate this card out of 10? I'd probably give it like a solid 7. But other than that, that's basically my review on the credit card. You guys comment down below if you guys have this credit card or any other crypto credit cards that I should look into. But otherwise, thanks so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one.